Hi folks, here is a video on temporarily limiting vocabulary in Unity one hit. So here on the screen I have Unity 60 one hit. I would say we have hundreds of words showing. We can use a tool called Vocabulary Builder to, like I said, temporarily limit the number of words that are appearing on the screen. To do this, you're going to select the Tools key and then Masking on the Fly. You'll see currently all of the words are available because they're bright. So the first thing I'm going to do is mask everything, and then I'm going to touch the words to unmask them. So I and you. I'll do the word eat. Maybe I'll have pretzel and cracker available. The word drink, the word go, the word stop. I'll do the word play. And maybe go fish, and then maybe there is a game on this games page that I also want to unmask. To get inside of this games page, we're going to hit navigate. This navigate key makes this key do its job. So now it's going to go to the games page, and let's do PlayStation and Chutes and Ladders. Once again, if I want to get back to my main screen, I'm going to hit navigate, and that will make this key do its job. So I'll go back. And I think that is good. So I'm done revealing all the words I want to. So I'm going to hit the top bar to exit. And now you'll see that I have the words and you, play. I can say go fish, or I can say play. Chutes and Ladders. Okay. The next thing I can do is add more words if I want. So I'm going to head back to my gray wheel here, back to Masking on the Fly. And this time I want to add some social words like awesome and sorry. That's a good one. And the word cool. And I'm also going to add a couple prepositions, on and off, as well as up and down. I'm all set. Okay, so now I have more vocabulary revealed. So you can either keep adding more words, or if you want to turn Vocabulary Builder off, you can do that as well. You're going to go to the Setup key and then turn Vocabulary Builder off, and now all of your words are back. Or I can once again go back to my Setup key and turn Vocab Builder on again, and I'll reveal those words again. All right, that is a quick video on using Vocabulary Builder to temporarily limit vocabulary.